Hey guys, how's it going? I know it's been a little while, but you see I have an egg right here, but I'll get to that in a second. And you see my spooky decorations. Ooh. I hope that's turned up green. It's green, obviously, but I hope it turned up green on the camera. Really cool little wooden T-Rex that lights up, got from Michael's craft store. Anyways, spooky season, Halloween. I got thinking, what heck shall I do? Because the last thing I showed you guys was just, I was at the Halloween store. I'm thinking, what the heck can I do for you guys? Oh yeah, I have these two eggs. You have C1 in front of you, but then I have this one. It's a Spinosaurus, and the other one is a. I'm going to butcher this name, but I'm going to try to say Dsungaripterus, I believe. I know the D silent, I know that for sure. But it's a flying pterosaur. Now, I got both of these for like, I think $6-7 at Historical Second and Charles, which is a great nerd store. If you're ever near a Second and Charles, go in there. Anything you want near nerd, anything. Collectibles, video games, like old school stuff, new school stuff, movies. They have like musical instruments, a whole bunch of crap, like collectibles. So yeah, so I picked up these. And I'm going to save them to whenever I move to have a skeleton shelf. Like, wait a minute, it's October. Let's do a Halloween video featuring these because they're skeletons. Why the heck not? So yeah, it's going to be a boring build video. I know most of you didn't care for the Lego video that I did a while back during quarantine. So hopefully this will get your attention. But if not, oh well. And this is the start of a series I want to try called Jurassic Projects, which I put together. I'll put together things like this, or I'll make, I'll show you how I make some props here and there for Jurassic Park stuff. Just for little things, for little collectible stuff, just fun stuff. So this is the first in the series, so let's begin. And I'm going to stop talking, and then everything's going to speed up. I'm going to disassemble, take this apart, and reassemble it. And then there you go. So I'll see you guys next time. So take care and be excellent to each other. Okay, let's begin the build. I had to do a quick pause there for a moment to get this figured out, because apparently this was really tough to get on. I did not know why, and I come to realize that I had these two the wrong way. Apparently this one, I was trying to put this part of the arm onto this part of the wing, and vice versa, but I had them switched around, so I don't see how that made a difference, but it clearly did, so let's just go right back. So it's not that long of a video, but hey, let's give it a shot. Okay, now I'm using the camera by hand now. So I found it really weird that, like, yeah, the instructions were there, but they were kind of bland, basic instructions. But I'm disappointed at the head. It's sitting here really loose, like very, very loose. Like I figured it'd be like stiff straight up. But yeah, honestly, it's not that bad. I mean, the wings can be articulated, which is nice. It's just really a bummer that the head is super, super loose. I don't know why. I honestly might just glue it forward and leave it alone because I'm going to just have it on display. So I might just glue the head together. But for now, I'll keep it kind of how it is until I assemble it once I move. Have it on the shelves. But like the eggs are not that bad. Eggs are pretty solid plastic. Like really solid plastic. So there's the inside. There you go. Now you're a baby dinosaur. That's how it feels. Anyways. Yeah, I want to make this video short and just quick, simple build, but that was kind of irritating that they didn't want to go together for such like a cheap toy. Like I don't want to say bad cheap, like the detail's pretty good. Like if you look at that, that's phenomenal. I've never heard of the species before. I did some research on it, and yeah, it's pterosaur. It's one of the many thousands of pterosaurs we keep discovering, but I thought it was pretty cool. I thought it was a good idea. Skeletons, Halloween, spooky stuff. You know, I see pumpkin, skeleton, but overall, I like it, other than the fact the head is droopy. I think I'm just going to name him Droopy from now on. But yeah, like I said, I'm just going to glue it down, and I'll have much, much better pictures for you. So I'll take some photos. I might actually glue it down and take some photos for you to see at the end of how this thing really looks. So thank you guys for watching, and again, take care and be excellent to each other, alright? See you later.